About to throw this toilet paper roll away? Wait. Let's turn it into a fun jumping grasshopper. You'll need some wire, a toilet paper roll, a rubber band, and colored paper. First, apply glue to the toilet paper roll and cover it with green colored paper to make the body of the grasshopper. Now, cut 2 slits about 5 centimeters long on both sides of the roll. Use an awl to poke 2 small holes on each side of the roll. Then, repeat the process on the opposite side. Cut the roll from the slits to the holes to make room for the rubber bands. Insert the rubber bands into the holes, ensuring they're tight enough to create some tension. Next, draw and cut out grasshopper wing on a piece of paper and glue it to the top of the toilet paper roll. Now, draw 2 eyes, cut them out, and glue them onto the front of the grasshopper's body. Next, take the wire and bend it into atom shape to form the legs. Make 3 sets of legs and attach them to the body with tape. Ta-da! It's done! Bend the lower part of the roll forward to create the jumping mechanism. When you release it, the grasshopper jumps. Like and subscribe for more creative DIY projects.